Setting up your Go Smart Wi-Fi. Plug the pod into a power outlet. Connect the pod to your router or modem via an Ethernet cable. When the pod connects, switch off the Wi-Fi on your modem. To switch off the Wi-Fi, press the Wi-Fi button on the modem. When a second device is plugged into the power at this stage, it is automatically detected by the system. App functions. Download the AirTies Wi-Fi app on your device. App functions include parental controls where you can set up time limits, creating guest networks, and also disable internet in any of the smart Wi-Fi devices. Adding more pods to the existing network. Open the AirTies Wi-Fi app. Select My Network from the app menu. Click on Plus AirTies Unit. Plug the additional Go Smart Wi-Fi device in the room of your choice. Turn it on and follow the instructions on the app to make sure the setup is successful. Monitoring the devices. Monitor the device by accessing My Network. Here you can see the Go Smart Wi-Fi devices and how they are functioning, indicated by the red or green circles around the pod. The AirTies Wi-Fi app makes it extremely easy to troubleshoot all aspects of your Wi-Fi network, and if required, Go offers a specialized support service on these smart Wi-Fi devices. Get in touch with us if you need help.